Right, so level 24, new building, new room. So this would be good. Room 2406. That's where we're going. 2406. 2403. 2404. Oh, right on the end, mate. Right on the end. 2406. Let's have a look out the window, see what we can see. Ah, okay. It's a bit different. Different view. Right, 2406. Oh, I'm on the end, I'm on the end. Okay, wow, look at that for a fridge. So, I'm in a different building, opposite where I am. So you come through the door, this is what you're greeted with. How awesome. It smells really, what's the word? Aromatherapy? That sort of word. And they've got mirrors there, so it makes the room look bigger, which is pretty cool actually. Well, we've got a table, but you've got no chairs. Fridge. Oh, it's got a cool box. My one didn't. It's a big one as well. Oh, bottle of water. I don't mind if I do. I love that. Cupboards. Wi-Fi. Wonder how fast this one's going to be. It's even got the code. It's handy. Sofa. Let's sit down. Oh. Reminds me of sitting on a bus. Let's have a look out the window. See what we got going on. Oh no, what we got going on here? We got to pull this up, have we? What's going on then? It ain't moving. Literally isn't moving. Oh, that's not good, is it? How do I get onto the balcony? Oh, let me figure this one out. Right, this wasn't pulled much. So, it's coming up now. What a pain in the arse. Honestly. Just to go out onto the balcony, you've got to do this. And then that's as high as it goes. So I'm ducking. Have a look. Oh, it's shaded, that's good. I reckon in the morning you get the sunshine here. I'm not high up. Literally, I'm not high up. We've got a washing machine. Few coat hangers. Mop, brush, stuff that the other room should have had. Don't know if this works. I might give it a go later on tonight and then leave my stuff out here to dry. I think that will work. Let's go back in. Oh my god, the door's shut. The door doesn't shut. It's jammed. Are you kidding me? Oh. You have to lift it. You literally have to lift it up to just get it to shut. Safely say I won't be going out there. Right, let's close this thing back down. This is just a base. I'm going to go later down to the bar, have a game of pool with the knobheads. Yeah, television. Don't really need that, do you? It's got air conditioning now. Where's the Unix? I'm putting it on. Up there. Let's see if it works. Right. So it's on, can we see that? It's on 22. We don't want that, we want it on 18. 18's good. That'll do. Oh, that's nice. Nice and cold. Right, actually stinks. That smells stale. Like, you know when you leave washing out for a while and you get that pissy smell? That's what it smells like. I think I'll turn that off and go out and get some air. Microwave, does it work? We'll never know. It's not plugged in. Toilet roll, kettle, yeah, blah 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 blah. They got a tin opener because the other place didn't have a tin opener. don't think they have tin openers in Thailand. Nope. No bloody tin opener. Unbelievable. Jeez Louise. No, okay. Oh, okay. A little bit more pressure in here. Straws. Sweetener. What's that? That's the sweetener. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, it's plastic. I was actually thinking it was China. What a knob. Fixings, blah de blah de blah. Bathroom, I've got to have a shower. Right, so reverse to what I had really. Foaming hand soap. Yeah, very nice. Nice mirror. That's not very good. What is that? Hang on a minute. They can't clean in here, can they? What is it? It's burnt. Sorry. I don't know what this is. It's burnt. It's not rubbing off. Never mind. Shower. Oh, more modern than what I had. Yeah, I think everyone was a bit dated. There's bits of both hotels that I put together to make one condo. They both have downsides, but what's this? Something about bacteria or something on the antibacteria. I should have put that on my legs. These mozzie bites. Google Translate that stuff, I think. Yeah. Right, the bedroom. So the butcher's in the bedroom. It's where the action doesn't happen. Like I say. Bedroom. There's all these. I'm thinking things open and shut. I'm trying to figure it all out as we go. What is that? Is that like an air fryer or something? Is it an air fryer? Yeah, it's an air fryer. Huh. Very good. What's this then? Cupboard where you have a lock. You know the safest place to hide stuff is under the mattress. And you just leave the odd penny or something lying around. And the first thing, if someone gets in, they just see the money, they grab the money, they think that's all you've got. See? Little trick. Nothing can air conditioning, yeah, got a plug socket. What's this one do there? Don't tell me that's a light. No way. Right next to my bed, make me lazy. Oh no, it's these. But lights here as well. Epic. Right. Let's go here. Oh, more plug sockets. Handy. Air conditioning unit looks like it's seen better days. I'm not even going to pull it on. That's not good, especially if I'm travelling. Don't want to have a nasty cough. Blackout curtains though. Very nice. God, windows need cleaning, mate. Jeez. Is it going to focus? Is that dirty? Oh, that's better. I'm just seeing people really, aren't I? Right. That's good. What is this stuff? That's old-fashioned wallpaper that we had in the 80s in England. Yeah. Ceiling that doesn't look very... bit water damage, isn't there? This moves. No way. I only touched it with my elbow and it started moving. What is this? No way. You can bring the telly in the room. Now that I like. That's good. So you can lay back on your bed and you can watch your telly. Not that you would want to watch telly if you're here. If you're watching telly when you're here, there's something wrong with you. Honestly, you should be out there enjoying the old current bun. Right. I like the fact that these, where'd the wires going then? Oh, that's not good. And it just closes back up. No, that is cool. Anything else? Secret rooms or anything? Yeah, I think that's about it really. Yeah, that's about it. Cup, chopping board, stuff that I didn't have in the other room. And toilet roll, obviously. The internet, I'm going to do an internet speed test. I think I'll get back to you on that. No way. That's not very nice. Yeah, and the plug socket here, look, which I usually use when I sit down to charge, I can't use because they've got an American fridge. I mean, come on, there's only so much food you can eat. Most people have street food nowadays. No one needs to have all that space. Just don't get it unless you're filling it up with water. Just, yeah, I don't get it. Yeah, I think I pointed those out as well, didn't I? Are these drawers by any chance? Oh, they are. They are only drawers. So what we got here? I like being nosy. That's not a drawer. I think the middle ones are drawers. Yeah. God, what we got going on in here? One open. There we go. It's a box. I don't know. Yeah, anyway. That's that. So this is the tour of my room. Great, isn't it? And you've got Prime Video. I've got Prime Video. We've got YouTube. We've got Netflix from my door. I don't know the password for that. Yeah, I don't really watch telly. I just hate it. Yeah. So this is my room. See you in the next one, guys.